What's up guys, Landry there, Marksman. Again here with another new product. It's early January right now, but let's be honest, it's never too early to prepare for competition season. So one thing that we're releasing right now, which is gonna play into that really well, is the Air Marksman OPS, OPS, which stands for Omnidirectional Precision System. And this is the FX Impact Buttstock. This thing is gonna fit any impact. From the first impact to the latest impact, this thing is a bolt-on thing. We're calling it the system because it replaces the whole back end of the gun. So your factory setup is like this. It's gonna replace all your side plates, which is one piece, give you all the adjustability you need. Let me run through some of the features of this and why it's going to be so crucial for this competition season coming up. All right, one of the first features of the OPS buttstock that I want to go over is the adjustable bag rider. So as you can see with it, as high up as it's going to go, you're still kind of raising the barrel of the gun up, so you're going to be aimed a little high. Well, with a simple lift of the gun, push of the button, you get your bag rider that will drop and give you more elevation in the rear. This has 5 positions to choose from, so you can fine tune it for any one of those. As you can see what that does to level the gun out a lot more. That's going to prevent pumping up the bag too much or having to turn your bag on end or any of those things that we usually do to make up for this. Let's go over a couple other features of this buttstock. So, to be able to tune this to your shoulder pocket, you've got 12 positions on this. I mean, that's more than you're ever going to need, but for anybody, it's gonna fit. So simple push of the button, you get the adjustment of the vertical on the butt pad. Now for you guys that like a little longer length of pull, you also get 6 positions on the length of pull. Again, push button, that simple. You can lock it into place and you're ready for that extended length of pull. Another feature, like I mentioned earlier, is this is made out of high quality aluminum in the United States, and it replaces the whole back end of the impact, giving you more rigid platform back here. Now you pair this up with any of the other Air Marksman accessories like a backbone and you're gonna have a very solid setup. Now we've kind of gone into this being set up for a competition setting, but honestly this is gonna work for anybody who wants a precision adjustment in their shooting platform. Adjustable length of pull, you can tune it to yourself. If you're shooting birds off of the hood of a truck, you still get all the adjustment you're ever gonna need. So this isn't just for a bench application, this is gonna be for anybody who enjoys precision shooting. So here you have it guys, the Air Marksman OPS FX Impact Buttstock. It's never too early to get prepared for precision shooting or competition season. So like and subscribe to our videos if you wanna see more content. Hit up your local Air Marksman dealer to get yours soon.